Welcome to day 5 of this 6-day crash course. During these 6 days, I'm going over 6 key things that are currently affecting your chances of landing an international remote job and how we can fix them. Alright, so by now, you should understand that by the end of this course, if you follow all of the steps laid out, you will see an increase in the amount of international remote job interviews that you're being invited to. Now, my goal here is to help at least 2.5k Jamaicans and other Caribbean professionals get invited to more international remote job interviews every quarter. And this is one of the ways I'm choosing to do that. So you make it to day 5, you make it far. That means you're committed to your goal and you really want to achieve this. So far, we complete the initial stages of everything. You now have your resume, your cover letter, LinkedIn profile optimized, and your introduction video or audio clip should be good to go as well. Now comes the part you've all been waiting for, where we find the jobs. All right, so if we go waste no more time, I go share my screen or we can go from there. So what I come to realize is that a lot of persons, a lot of Jamaicans, when they're looking to break into the international remote job market, the hardest part is finding the jobs. Or at least that's what the initial thought is. But to me, the easiest part is finding the job. The hardest part is to position yourself well enough to be invited to an interview. Now, me personally, I always recommend using LinkedIn when it comes on to doing your job search. Reason being is instead of going to these independent companies' website like Work Better Now and so forth, it would make sense if you go to a platform that have all of the jobs in a centralized location, which is LinkedIn. All of the companies then post jobs on LinkedIn. It's the best place to apply for international remote jobs and it's the best place to find them. So here's how you use LinkedIn. When you're searching for international remote jobs, you're going to go to LinkedIn, click on the search icon, and you're going to look for Latin America remote jobs. Now, once you're here, what you need to do is click on this option right here that says date posted and change that to 24 hours. As you can see, in the past 24 hours, there have been 63 new job postings on LinkedIn that are for Latin America. For those of you who don't know, as someone in Jamaica and other Caribbean countries, you can apply to jobs that says they are for persons in Latin America. Even though technically Jamaica isn't a part of Latin America, we normally get clumped in with them. So keep that in mind. But even though you can apply to these jobs, that does not mean every single one of these companies accept Jamaican applicants. And that is the reason why I have put together a directory of companies that are accepting Jamaican applicants and some that do not. Now, this directory can be found in the description below. You can find a link to this directory in the description below. It's a view-only directory. It's not a final directory. What that means is that it will consistently be updated. So as you can see, we have the company's name, the company's LinkedIn profile, our website, because I recommend LinkedIn, but I have website here for places like Mob Squad and so forth. Use Mob Squad website for that. We tell you whether or not they accept Jamaican applicants, their pay ranges, what type of industry or field that they're in, the roles that they typically hire for, and most importantly, their vetting process. So you see, finding the jobs on LinkedIn is one thing, Yes, you find all of the jobs them. But what do they look for? I've already went over all 4 of them previously. But to give you more context, to give you more information, I have reached out to these recruiters personally and I've asked them what's their vetting process. And in this column right here, that is where you'll find the vetting process for some of these companies. The ones that you see blank are the ones that haven't gotten back to me as yet, but those are ones that I'm working on as well. So we have the vetting process, and soon I will be inputting a section here that goes over their interview process. So now you'll know where to find the jobs and what the recruiters are looking for. That way, when you're applying for these jobs, it increases the likelihood of you being accepted. You will ensure that you tick all the right boxes. And this is the guidance I'm talking that Jamaicans lack. We do not know the vetting process for these companies, but once we know that, it will be so much easier. Now, I mentioned before that the link to the directory will be in the description below. But for persons who are in the Career Club community, if you come to the community and you scroll down to the section right here that says Beyond the Job Post, it's under the community section. Scroll down to behind the job post. Now, once you've done that, you will see a pin post. That pin post is the directory that contains the link to the directory. You click on that and you'll just see this option right here. You click on the link to view it. Now, behind the job post is more than just a place where you can go about finding the remote job directory. It's also a place where the community members share their experiences that they've had with other companies. Let's say, for example, someone messaged me on TikTok telling me about their experience with remote leverage, and they're saying that they did not like remote leverage interview process. This go over that conversation and it tells you exactly what that company is looking for. So this is where we as a community can come together now and share our experience on other companies so that other community members don't have to go through the same rigorous process as we did, right? We don't get blindsided. We want to help each other, and this is how we do that. Others have shared their experience on Atlas, another remote leverage, and we also have an experience here and what do lead look for when you're doing your introduction video. So these are all things you should take into consideration. So I definitely recommend checking out the community so you can have insider info when applying to these companies and share your experience. We don't know everything. I don't know everything. My team doesn't know everything. So we need you to share your experience so we can guide each other. Now, for those of you who don't remember the entire process of finding those jobs on LinkedIn, this resource right here, How to Find International Remote Jobs for a Caribbean Professional, this is a resource that is also available in the Career Club community in the basic resource library. Members, for those of you who have successfully completed the second step of joining the community. For those of you who were unsuccessful with completing the second step of joining the community, this document was sent as an attachment with the email you just got. So now you have an optimized resume, optimized cover letter, optimized LinkedIn profile, introduction video. You know where to find the jobs, you know what the companies are looking for, and you know where you can go to get feedback on any company you are uncertain of. Now you have everything to start applying, right? No more misguided mishaps. Hope you guys found this session valuable, and I'll see you in day 6.